This rooftop bar is known for their fancy cocktails and mouth-watering bar snacks. I am at Vanilla Sky on the 35th floor of the Skyview Hotel in Sukhumvit, Bangkok. This is one of my favorite rooftop bars in Bangkok. Isn't this cocktail simply beautiful? This is known as the Vanilla Sky. They have many cocktails, and if for some reason you do not like the cocktails on the menu, you can even create your own. So there is no excuse for you not to have a great time with cocktails here. Oh my God, that is good. Very smooth taste. If you like what you see here, please do subscribe and also like and share this video. This over here is the deconstructed nachos. Wow, that's good. From up here on the 35th floor, you can enjoy a 360-degree view of the city, and it is stunning. It's really beautiful. Try to make it for the sunset because that is beautiful too. The Skyview Hotel, where this rooftop bar is located, is a very trendy yet also sophisticated hotel. And you can see a full review of this hotel if you watch till the end of this video. Oscar over here is making me an original cocktail. It's one of my requests. This is the life, having the bartender make me my own special cocktail. This is my request, so I think I deserve half the credit at least. Oh my God. Man, I wish you could taste this. I'm sure you know that Bangkok is known for its vibrant nightlife, and what better place to start or end your evening out in Bangkok. This is the quesadilla burger, and I was told that this one is a little bit spicy. This hotel is also home to the Mojjo Rooftop Bar. In fact, it's just 3 floors below from where I am right now. And it's a great place. It's a Cuban-themed rooftop bar. The food is fantastic. And wow, great place for Instagram photos. And again, watch to the end of this video for a link to that rooftop bar too. I'm also very impressed with the service here. The staff are super attentive. The barmen are very friendly. Even the DJs are really, really cool. If you like what you see, then please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your friends. Oh man, I'm so happy to see short ribs on the menu. Oh my God, this meat is so tender. cinnamon on these churros smells great. What a really great evening. This place is fantastic and I do recommend coming here to the Vanilla Sky because this place is really awesome. Wonderful staff, great food, great drinks. What a great place.